Today, I'm pushing Sora 2 to its absolute limits. I've got the product logo right here, and I'm turning it into 3 different CGI commercials using 3 insane prompts. Let's upload the image and get into it. All right, first prompt, the futuristic tech accessory ad. I'm pasting the prompt along with logo of product and generating
Precision-engineered metal, adaptive controls, a 120 Hz OLED display that makes every frame feel alive. Inside, the latest Ryzen Z1 Extreme with RDNA 3 graphics drives next-gen performance, kept cool by a custom vapor chamber.
Oh my God, bro, look at this. The product is literally floating like it's from a Tesla showroom. Those neon blue rim lights, the 360-degree spin, Sora 2 is cooking like a Michelin star AI chef. This looks like an Apple WWDC reveal trailer. Next up, the food commercial prompt. Let me paste it in and generate.
Fries belong with chicken. Kentucky Fried Chicken. KFC.
Yo, what? This looks tastier than real food ads. Bro, that slow-mo drizzle shot? Why is Sora 2 making me hungry in 4 seconds? The steam, the juices, the close-ups. This is literally CGI-level editing. This AI is a danger to human chefs, man. This is Sora 2 flexing for no reason. All right, final one. The Hollywood action movie-style promo. Prompt pasted, generating. Bro, stop! This looks like Marvel made a trailer just for this logo. The way the camera whip pans across the sparks, Sora 2 is actually showing off now. And that's all 3 CGI ads straight from Sora 2. Tech, food, and action movie versions. 3 prompts, 1 image, infinite cinematic madness. You need to try this combo at least once. Sora 2 is a different beast. Let's go!